Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we'll dive into M1 Finance app review in order to see if the app is worth using. So let's quickly dive into it. The M1 app is a strong pick for long-term investor. It offers no trading commission. It lets you buy fractional shares and features a price-style portfolio system that simplifies distribution and auto rebalancing. It's especially handy if you prefer set and forget investing and you want a full control over the stock and ETFs. That said, it has a notable drawback. It lacks mutual fund support, tax logs harvesting features, and it tends to limit active trader due to fewer trading windows. Customer support and user feedback around service reliable have been mixed. And in my opinion, if you are focused on building a diverse portfolio over time and value automation with flexibility, the M1 app is definitely worth using. But if you need active trading tools, advanced advisor help, or a full service support, you might want to explore other platforms. And that's it. I find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and make sure you subscribe for more review.